Hey guys, it's Becky from thecookierookie.com, and today I'm making one of our favorite family recipes, simple spiced baked wings. You will not believe how easy this recipe is, and it's gonna make you seem like a pro on game day. My husband loves buffalo wings, but we could never agree on the sauce. He wants it super spicy, burn your mouth off hot, and I like something more like sweet barbecue or garlic parmesan. We would always fight about it and not be able to order what we both liked. I came up with this simple spice combo, very easy. I'm sure you have everything in your pantry. We both agree on it, and it's healthier to boot. Baked wings are just as good as deep fried. Let's get started. We're gonna start by cutting 4 tablespoons of butter into squares and dotting a baking sheet. This is just so that the wings get nice and crispy, and you do not need to spray your pan if doing it this way. Use cold butter and just cut into little squares. Be sure you distribute evenly around the baking sheet. So I've just cut into squares. They're not perfect. They don't have to be. Just cut them into little squares and then dot your baking sheet. Just want to distribute these around so as it melts, it'll hit all of the wings once they're on there. So it'll help to keep your wings crispy, not stuck to your baking sheet, but you also don't have to use any oils this way. And now we're going to make our spice blend. This is a super easy spice blend and I love it. I think the flavors just really shine. It's perfect, loved by all, not too spicy, not too sweet, perfect. We're just gonna use flour, lots of paprika, my favorite spice, black pepper, garlic powder, and of course salt. Give this a nice stir. And that is all that's gonna go on our wings. It is literally that simple. But you won't believe how flavorful they are. I have people writing me all the time saying they love this spice blend, but I kinda don't wanna tell them how easy it really is. And I bet your pantry already has all of these spices. So once they're nice and stirred together, we're just going to coat all of the chicken wings fully in the spice blend. I'm gonna do about 12 wings today. You can always double the recipe, do more or less. This is a great appetizer for the two of us at home before watching our Chiefs. He might not claim the Chiefs yet, but one day I'll get him to claim the Chiefs as his team. You can just use your hands to coat, or you can use tongs. But I like with my hands, I can make sure that they're fully coated. Tap off any extra. Just lay them between the butter pieces. I love baking instead of frying because you don't get that vat of oil, you don't get oil spray. It's safer, it's healthier, and your entire kitchen doesn't smell bad. So I think it's a great alternative, especially an easy alternative for days you don't want to entertain everybody, you just want to have a fun appetizer at home with your family. Okay, these are ready to pop in a 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes or until they're nice, hot, and crispy, and then we're ready to watch the game. These hot and fresh, simple spiced baked wings are ready to eat. You can tell they have an awesome spice blend on them. Dip in your favorite dipping sauces and enjoy. Hop over to thecookierookie.com for the full recipe.